For a greater than 0, it's positive, the value of integral minus pi to plus pi cos square x upon 1 plus a to the power of x dx. So let us consider integral I is equal to minus pi to plus pi cos square x upon 1 plus a to the power of x dx. And let us use the property integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Let's use this property here. So we can write integral I is equal to minus pi to plus pi. So here in place of x we have to substitute a plus b minus x, that is cos square of pi plus of minus, that is pi minus x upon 1 plus a to the power of pi plus of minus pi and minus x dx. So which equals to, so integral which is I is equal to minus pi to plus pi cos square of minus x upon 1 plus a to the power of minus x. And since we know that cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta, or cos square of minus theta is equal to cos square theta, we can write. So cos square of minus x we can write it as cos square of x, so that is minus pi to plus pi cos square x upon 1 plus a to the power of minus x by taking LCM 1 upon a to the power of x we can write, and this can also be written minus pi to plus pi a to the power of x into cos square x upon 1 plus a to the power of x dx. Let me write dx here. Okay, now let us consider this is an equation 1 and say this is equation 2. So this is I and this is also I. So adding these two equations, adding 1 and 2, so we'll get 2i is equal to integral minus pi to plus pi. The first one is cos square x upon 1 plus a to the power of x dx, and the second one we had minus pi to plus pi a to the power of x into cos square x upon 1 plus a power x dx. So which implies 2i is equal to, so having the same integrals minus pi to plus pi, so we can write 1 upon a power x common in the denominator, and cos square x common, we can write 1 plus a to the power of x dx. So we can cancel this 1 plus a to the power of x and 1 plus a to the power of x, and we are having integral minus pi to plus pi cos square x dx. And from minus pi to plus a cos square x, it's like even function we can say. So from minus a to plus a, f of x dx is equal to 2 times integral 0 to a f of x dx if f is even function. So cos square x is an even function because cos of minus x also will get same cos square x only will get, so that we can write here 2i is equal to 2 times integral 0 to pi cos square x I can write. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled, so I is equal to, so integral 0 to pi, and we know that cos square x formula is cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta upon 2. So we can write here 1 plus cos 2x upon 2 dx. So now let's integrate this one. First one 1 upon 2 is common, so integration of 1 dx is x, and again here integration of cos 2x is sin 2x upon 2. So over the limits 0 to pi. So let's just substitute the values. So 1 upon 2 times of pi plus sin 2 pi upon 2 minus 0, and again sin 0 upon 2. So which equals to, so 1 by 2 times of pi plus sin 2 pi, it is 0, and this is remaining all zeros, so we have only pi, so which is nothing but pi upon 2. So our integral, therefore our integral answer is pi by 2. Okay, so we can go with an answer that is pi by 2, right? Thank you.